Let's go.
He says, at least you got it.
Mic check.
He says, at least you got it. Mic check. He says, at least you got it. Mic check.
Mic check.
If you shut up, oh.
Order filled.
Yo, go. What's up, Daily? No, gotta log into this shit.
Welcome, Dark.
Gold's still moving up, huh? I gotta see what that news was. Let me check it. Top Step. Wow, they had a lot of Japanese foreign stock investment. Come on, baby. I do see this too, though, so like I'm not trying to be naive to it. I mean, it's a really big stop loss at the game. Is at 30 points. That's not too bad. We're in short here. We got the 2 anchors. Well, it's only supposed to be one. I'm testing out the other. Oh, you got that gold? I was looking at it before, and I'm like, huh, I wonder if I should get into... Ooh, nice one, actually. Very nice. So this is my entry here. This is the test. This is the real entry. We've been fucking stopped out, bro. Let me just double check that with the ATR, but I want to fucking reset this bitch. Yeah, it would have tapped me out. 609. It's not even that much. So I'm like, I gotta make sure that my stop losses are good enough. If it gets up here, though, I'll be interested in shorting it. I am short M and Q. That would make sense, though, for M and Q to go down because gold's going up. I'm looking for this to hit probably around 475 to be just in case, because the market's been fucking weird, so... If I go like a little bit, you know, sooner, I'll feel better about my life. PP? PP? Gold still ripping. M&Qs is chilling. Buzz, NASDAQ top and bottom performing stocks at about 245. We don't give a fuck about any of that. I'm shorting M&Q, yeah. To about 75. Yeah. If I have time, I will. All right, let's see. It looks heavy, but I don't know if it wants to go in between here before it fucking picks a side. Let's just go in the pass here just to look, just in case. So it's like right into that order area. But if it wants to fucking hit up here, it can. Hopefully, that's not true, though. It should go down. But it keeps fucking bouncing back and forth. We're gonna have a little patience on this one, though. 3 micros. See what gold's doing. Gold's still flying up. It's going down. I'm yelling timber.
I wanna move. I wanna dance.
I'm looking for 475-ish.
Daddy? Is that you? Daddy? Is that you?
Who is blessing me with their hearts?
Daddy? Is that you?
Thank you for the gifts.
Woolly bears, thanks.
Let them cook. Is this DJB? I don't know who's who. New JB, old JB, in between JB. There's so many JBs now since you've been gone, bro. Is this Ethereum JB? Is that the right one I'm trying to say? No. What's the one that OG? Gotcha. Received. It's been a long time. There you go. Meme coins. There you go. OJ. What have you been up to? Just been relaxing, couple of months, been taking life a little slower. Sometimes it's good to do that, you know? Just chill. You still golfing? Nice. I gotta get into it, bro. I gotta just get a nice set. And go. The connections you can make on the course are unmatched. Probably for money, right? For like money, like not money, for connections. Money connections, right? Is that what you mean? Or knowledge. I'm gonna trade now. I'm in M and Q. Also looking at gold too. Like if gold wants to rip up higher and take out this high, then we'll start to look for the short. But in between, you know. Okay, what I'm seeing here, this could be bullish, but I'm still looking for that short. It gave us the anchor. If we're wrong. You could see that it's kind of just deciding what to do. So always size correctly regardless. It's here a great way to exchange names and a lot of people and find business partners, investors that way. Just good contacts to have. I always thought that too. Why do you think that is for golf? Gotcha. Why do you think it's expensive, honestly? You have, say even you got a $2,000 club, right? Say $2,000 worth of clubs. Like, how much, and you know, obviously maybe footwear, clothes, whatever. What else is expensive about it? Or maybe it's a course. Ah. How much does like a course cost? I get like the start is expensive, but I feel like the maintaining it's not that expensive. I could be wrong. Ah, gotcha. No, I meant like, you know, other than the clubs being expensive and your footwear and all this yada yada yada. After that, what's expensive? Is it just paying to be in the course expensive? Or say like me, right? I like mountain biking, like actual like mountain biking, like off in the woods with friends and stuff. Doesn't sound expensive, but after the gear and then the maintenance of the fucking bike, bro, that shit's stupid. Gotcha. Let's see, gold. I mean, it looks like a jump here, but it's still not worth it to me. It's showing the momentum's dying down. So where's the pullback? Is it going to be the VWAP or what for gold? So I'm like in between on that one. Damn, it's $50. Fuck that. No. Every time. I guess that's why they have fucking club members, huh? Oh, here we gotta buy but it's below the clouds, throwing me off. Ah, traveling. Got you. I mean, that's a big one. Shut the fuck up. $300? What? That's crazy. Fuck's wrong with you people? Yeah, I just called you golfers, you people. Yeah, I'm not sure about this gold move here. Come on, short, baby. Wow, this thing is stuck in this fucking triangle, bro. Definitely don't want it to fucking splurt out up, but it's gold's going back up though. That was a good call. It's just a really hard one there. Let's look at the 5. I mean, gold looks like it just wants to keep going, huh? 5 minute looks very bullish. Nah, never heard of that one. Long Island's like expensive to fucking go to, so it's like $40 fucking dollars just to drive there, to get over the fucking bridge. Oh, I'm sure there's some freaky shit over there, bro. Yeah, it's fucking stupid. What do you mean pop? Pop goes the weasel. Yeah. Last month we pulled in a lot of money last month, dude. We pulled in about like I made like $45,000 and then I took out 35K of it. Lost 10K of it, and then the last 2 weeks has been kind of hard to trade. It's just been fucking... It's waiting for the Fed, because it's fucking... It's back and forth on what they want to do, but it looks like now they're leaning more towards economies doing better. So we'll see. Dude, we actually just watched that live yesterday. There was rumors that he was dead. And I actually kind of thought it was funny too what he said. He was like, Trump's like, I've been gone for 2 days during Labor Day weekend. And he says, Biden was gone for fucking months. And nobody said he was dead. He's like, I don't get it. It was on the news, like live news. They asked him. I was like, what the he's right, though. So it's like, it's kind of like just the left kind of pushing that out. So I can only, you can only see what you, that's going to be a tough one. Am I pullback zone here? Yeah. Yeah, they fucking said he was dead. And the one reporter fucking asked him right on live TV. He's like, you heard about yourself dying? And this one's taking a fucking minute. Just curious on that 30-second gold there. Okay. Yeah. Hey, did you hear that you're dead?
Did you hear that you're dead?
Daddy, chill.
There it goes. Come on. Come on downtown, baby. Bring it on down.
I'm yelling timber.
Dude, I haven't been able to do any of that shit, man. All that music stuff I had to push to the side so I don't get copyright, nothing. I had to get smarter. They were abusing me. You saw me before. I was in TikTok jail, bro. But Up about 1,000 followers though, doing something working a bit better. Yeah, I definitely cracked the algorithm a lot better. I was getting fucking banned every 2 seconds. I've been physically typing back too. That's what really changed the game. Like sometimes I'm back to that 100 viewers at a time. But this week's been hard to trade, so I feel like a lot of people aren't coming in for a little bit. It is what it is.
Daddy? Is that you? Ray. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading. All aboard the motherfucking soul train.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, you know, it's normal movement. Like we had one in March, if you remember that, and now we're fucking right at the same time as before. Wow, there's another one here. We might have to add into it if it gets up there. See, this is why I was saying I didn't want to add into gold. It was showing me signs of failure. But this longer term, no, I don't like it. Okay, see how it's going down like that, gold? You lost the momentum here. Stocks? Crypto? What do you mean? Daddy usually is. Nah, I'm just playing that I'm usually right. It's just that the way that it pulled back here below that cloud shows me that the momentum was lost, right? Now right here it recovered, but it still didn't hold, so I didn't like it. I don't have too many stocks. I'm just really heavy into crypto right now. I have like maybe some bullshit here and there. I'm in a few. My one crow coin that I was pushing out, that went up fucking... That fucking went up a lot, dude. Crow coin, I mean, I'm expecting up to $1, but it hit like 40 something cents the other day. And my average is at 8 cents. So I was like, Daddy, getting it. I'm not even excited because I expected this. So I'm like, you know, 5x. Yeah, I'm waiting for that fucking 10x, baby. Oh, you know what, crypto? I always feel so guilty about every time I see you. I'll go back to gold here in a second, but was it bonkers, bonk, bonkers. Then we were looking at it, I'm like, damn, this shit looks fucking juicy. What the fuck is this shit? I don't know what I had it on though. Bonk. Might have been more like US. Maybe it's crypto. I don't know. I had it drawn out. I think it was like right here, to be honest with you. Oh, it did go up. You would have been in profit now. I think this is what we did here. If I remember correctly, it was something like this. I can't remember. It was something close to this. And then it went up. I'm like, this looks juicy to go up. And it fucking breaks up and it came back down. But if you held that, you would have been up a lot right now. It just was soul collecting. Yeah, that's my new stop loss. That's my new one. It was something to this, like where it broke out and it came back down. But this ended up being a bomber. It just took longer than fucking we expected. Fucking gold to the moon there. It did become good though. I knew it was a good investment regardless, but I didn't expect it to go fucking the other way when you bought it. Chain link? I haven't. Oh yeah, nice spike. Look at the call outs. I don't even look at this shit, but look at these call outs I had, bro. You know, I'm really big on the investments on the pullbacks on the 68s and the 78s. 61 and 78s. Right fucking to it. Bounce, baby. If anybody fucking listened to me, they got in really good. Damn. Fucking called it though. I mean, I'm holding everything until like the last week of October, give or take. So I'm not really selling anything until like Crow. I might sell like 80% of the dollar. That's because I'm gonna make a lot of fucking money. But I'm mostly like my Bitcoin. I'm holding to probably third week of October. It can change a little bit, but it's gonna be around there. A good can? Yeah, fuck that meme coin. I couldn't figure it out, dude. Or I probably could have, but I had to sit there and really fucking study that shit. Yeah, I figured it was gonna slow down eventually. It's probably it will have its pauses until like, you know, it starts picking up more. Cause it really just started picking up again. Oh my god, fall down already. Fucking Trump coin. I haven't looked at that one in a while. Has it going up? That one fucking... Whew. Yeah, that was crazy. Remember, we were watching it like live. All he had to do was say "great success" or something. He's like, "Yeah, I really don't know anything about it." That's what he said, and it just tumbled. It's like, you fucking bitch. Gold's hard, dude. I'm not gonna lie, gold's been hard. I've been taking, so I usually kind of just like, whatever I think is my profit target on gold, take it sooner. Okay? That's the only thing I can tell you. And if you ever think it's gonna reverse, I have some time. Some free time. I had to get off early today, so. Yeah. And then also, gold can steamroll too. So it's like you gotta realize it when it's doing that. And it's not easy with gold. Yeah, because it fucking just it can steal your heart. It breaks your heart. I didn't touch gold for like 3 weeks. I was getting monstered on it. I was not doing good on gold. And even my my short here is not like, let's fucking move already. It died. And it is, holy shit, 9:33 already. There is no news until 11:30. Fuck. ES has been, we've been trading some ES2 here and there. Because of the way it's been acting. Sometimes NASDAQ wasn't moving and ES was. Okay, this actually was no good. This is a loss right here. Unless it was small. Five minute looks good, but the 1 minute, nope. Actually would have been a loss. Unless that's the old one. It is the old one. Nope, because that came in right here. So that's been a little hard to decipher too in between them. But if gold rips and breaks this low here, then we'll look for a long. Maverick on YT said, I had some good trades on MNQ today, but in my practice account, still scared to risk in these markets. Honestly, it was fucking hard. It's been like up and down chop. Super trend? Absolutely not. Not even close. Yeah, these are my own that I coded. You can always stick around, follow and watch for a bit, and then when you're ready, you can join my Discord or join my Discord now. And then in the VIP section, you can try my indicators for 30-day free trial. And if you don't like them, you can cancel it. After that, it's about $1 a day. $30 for the month. Opinion on Bookmap and order flow. So Bookmap, it's good, and you can use it. I personally don't use it for futures. It's just, there's too many ghost orders, and it doesn't help me out personally. I can usually see it on the chart before it happens. So it's not really my thing. X6 MNQ. But it's been taking a while, this trade. I might have to take
Daddy?
profit a little bit sooner.
Is that you? Thunder, welcome to the Soul Daddy. Holy Bears Trading.
Ooh, X6, you might be able to get some of it. Oh, as soon as you came in, bro. I'm telling you, I think you fucking, No, short, bro, short. But and now it's too late. It literally just fucking dumped when you said that. He's a market mover for sure, X6. He always comes in like right in the middle. Why do I say short? Because in the 1 minute time frame, I got my anchors here. I got my reversal anchors that give us that bang and move. Fucking Laz. It's been rough up and down, bro. But it seems like Laz that they had more, what's it called, confidence lately, and that's why I started ripping up tonight in the Fed. Very true. But this is a kind of a bullish move. This triangle here, this wedge. But yeah, now you're probably doing great. I know your ass was sweating for a minute. And it still didn't go down to where I wanted to. It's still whipping back up. So I'm not really like it's toying with us. So could that have been the liquidity grab and then it just fucking bounces up? Could be. Yeah, you're definitely used to in this fucking market. Yes, and JB was correct, X6. It does have very... What he said just right there was actually a really good explanation. It was losing that momentum. It's been like this though, man. It's been fucking... How long you been in this trade? I got in an hour. Yeah, that's not good. Probably should have got out here. I'm out at 7:20. Explain more. Maverick on YT said, I took the long not long after the open for a small win in the combine. Then I got the mega short in my practice. Then an afternoon move long in practice. Yeah, we got some of them. But some were psyching me out. What platform do I use to operate? You need a prop firm. And then you need, so I take profit trader, anything that has trade of 8 that's attached to it, and then attach it to my trading view. That's how I'm able to trade on trading view. Oh, go up to 720? I mean, are you talking about short term or? Because like short term, and I mean more like mid, yeah. But I don't think we're gonna fucking know until actually. Say the Fed doesn't make the rate cut, I think it's gonna make it go up even more. Because now they're only expecting it to happen even more. What do I do here? What do I do? I'm not fucking liking it now. You just go up to. You think it's gonna go up soon? That quick? You think within like the day? Talk to me. What do you mean? I mean, right now it's a little bit dark. I don't know why. And it does seem a little bit jolted all over the place. I really only have 3, but that's just because the it's so close to each other right now. Yeah, it's so close right now. It wouldn't be like this if it was actually fucking moving. Does that make sense? Like this one. This one looks more clear to me. Right? Below the cloud, got your nice little trend. These yellow boxes are potential pullback bounce zones. And then you got your short, and you get out when the colors change. And now on gold, oh, I'm actually glad I went to gold. Gold's got a reversal. We gotta keep an eye on that, all right, guys. Gold's got a reversal. Yeah, so when it's not moving, it's gonna look cluttered. But again, that could be like your fucking like, hey, this shit ain't good, you know? I can't read it. But we got our soul collector here, which means reverse on the gold to the upside. I don't know if you're still in here, user13. You got to change your name, user13. When I was talking about gold before. I need to call you something. It's been... It made us a lot of fucking money last month. And to be honest with you, what am I trying to say here? Well, if you do get back in... What, for MNQ? Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I would say into this blue line, 483s. It's annoying that I'm moving the TP, but it could reverse there. Is there a fair value gap? Yeah, these are all fair value gaps. All these boxes. For MNQ, yeah, I'm thinking that. If it can go through 489s, it should fall. At least to my blue line here. And then we got to watch gold, okay? Gold's still looking short. This flag here says, hey, motherfuckers.
Hey, fuckers.
We our potential of a reversal doesn't mean it's going to. It just means, hey, be careful, okay? I can easily keep going down, but it's still saying, hey, we got a short here, but there's also flags. So go a little bit lighter in your sizing because it can fucking go up too. But yeah, Soul Collector has been kind of like our bigger move, and that's what we got here. You see this anchor here? That was an indication to get in. Yeah, it took a long fucking time to get to our profit, but it looks like we're doing okay. I mean, my TP is 483, so pick your poison. It's kind of low. Pin it. That would be great too. I don't care as long as it gets my fucking TP zone. I don't want it to sit here back and forth though. What, MNQ? Yeah, we're gonna see right here. We're in my Bully Bear's bounce zone, the yellow. Maverick, if you could see that, like that's probably a little bit more clear, right? It came from this bottom to this top. Hey, be careful, we're in this yellow zone here. Could fucking go up. And it's just a warning, that one. You don't have to have that one on. Let's see if we can get like a nice little channel here or something. What are you doing here, bro? You better short it. I mean, it could go down, but that shit was choppy. Gold still chilling. Higher, low. Correct, but it needs to go up here to confirm that, Maverick. In my opinion. Do it.
Go against Alpha. Try Alpha, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
It looks like it needs to break this channel, period, so I'm not really too worried. It needs to retouch this again, though. I just want to look on gold. I just want to keep an eye on gold because I don't want to miss that entry. Gotta make sure we got our other one up, too. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. Let's see. Oh, why isn't it showing? I thought that had that on. Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta put this on. T. There we go. I didn't even know that. Gold is crazy. Crazy pants, bro. As soon as it breaks this, it's coming down. It's coming to daddy. Fuck.
Manifest me winning the Powerball.
Let's focus.
In a world created for Bully Bear, as he waits as the trend line breaks, will he get his profit target? We'll see right now. Make him look great. You can do it. Ugh.
Daddy, chill.
Only $9.95. I'm not even gonna say your comment, but that was kind of funny, Maverick.
Daddy? Is that you? Hillmat, welcome to the Soul Train. Bully Bear style.
I'm yelling timber, timber.
Daddy? Is that you? Hey, Tito! Welcome to Bully Bear Strait.
I'm hoping it's just a retest. It should be. My TP, it's unfortunately it moves a little bit, so 484. We could be safe. Yeah, 484, 50. We have to move it a little bit the longer it takes. I know it's annoying and it sucks, but just what happens. And maybe I just missed it right there. I don't even know. That looks pretty fucking strong. But it's not, it didn't make it high or low. I mean, this is, if you want to make that up, yeah, it's not enough yet. It's stuck in this zone here, in my opinion. Lazar. Yeah, we'll see. I would say if it goes past my yellow zone here and it closes, then no more good. Down, down, down. I would not have expected that. It would stick to the rivers and tickers I am used to. What do you mean? This is MNQ, no? Lost me there. Still want to keep an eye on gold here. We're still okay. Oh, don't go.
Chasing waterfalls. Listen to the something, something, something. Rivers and tickers.
Fuck you, 720. Bro, that would rip me a new asshole. $7.20. Oh, me and him go back and forth every fucking day. See, look at that gold. I kind of wanted to keep going down just a little bit. Yeah, we be bullshitting. Oh my god, this ain't good. Fuck you, Laz, you piece of shit. Where are you? You P.O.S. Yo, he does this to me all the fucking time, bro. I'm telling you. I'm convinced there's something... He cheats, bro. He's a fucking cheater. What did my goal do? We have to call it a loser. We gotta call it a loser. Sucks. Sucks. Any higher than this, a close above 510s, I'm completely wrong. I hope. Fuck off, Laz. I hate you. I hope this fucking drops to the fucking time. Alright, we might get a long on gold, so... And it won't be too big of a long. Let me see. Which one is this? This is... Okay, my other one. Alright. So I'm going to be going in long.
Order filled.
We're going to have to judge this one as it goes. I would say first TP, at least 3 out, is going to be pretty close, really quick, so... And then we'll judge it on there. And Dum Dum, you are wrong is my stop loss. 597. Fuck you, gold. I mean, MNQ.
Order filled.
I'm hoping it keeps going up, though. Past that, I just want to take out some. But... we'll see how it reacts. Fuck off. and keep coming back down. I figured it would. But that's why I didn't panic. But this is not coming back down. What the fuck? Oh, we got a reversal though. Okay, okay. All right. We do have our soul collector reversal, but we should have managed this a little bit better. When it started coming back up here and we broke this line, we should have got out. Does that make sense, everybody? Souls are collected for show. Definitely collected here. It's not the 1 minute. It is the 1 minute. We did get soul collector warning here. So I hope it's, if we get a signal, that'll be good. I'll be going in another 3 probably. To be honest with you, I kind of want to go again, but
Order filled.
I got in a little early. We're already in. Yeah, I can see how that was the perfect squeeze there. But it should have hit my fucking zone though. I think it was literally like 2 points off. New TP will be 491. We can maybe, if you want to try to hold it down here again, the 480s, we can. The squeeze box. I can't play that on here, but I'm in shorts. Do you see my screen X6? I'm in shorts on MNQ. I am long on gold, which is fucking bugging me out because that's dropping too. Maybe I'm just fucking wrong on everything today. Oh, I got the squeeze box. It's called the fucking soul collector. Yeah, I added 6 total. I did jump in a little early. I did not get the anchor yet, but I can add into this if it goes up. Whoa. Yeah, I'm not too worried. I was just asking if you could see, bro. Ah, man. Maybe I jumped in too soon? I mean, the gold's good. Gold, I got in. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. You know what else I gotta look at? Okay, that's something I need to put on my note too. It's gotta have both, I think. Because if it doesn't have both, then so I'm trying to switch up the soul collector just a little bit. Yes, it is. Yeah, I got in too soon here, the ad. I'm not worried yet. So that's my only issue, is that there was no fair value gap here. Okay, very good, very good. Very good, Meng. If we get an anchor now, we're good. I usually... So these indicators are my brain, right? Coded into an indicator. So I mostly rely on those. The only thing that changes the game with it is if price is just acting wackadoo, right? Like if it's just not working, it's not working. So that's the only difference, honestly. It takes a lot of the emotions out of it. All right. We should be okay. I don't want to move it too far down below this. I am testing this out, but if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. This is the 600s. I don't know if it wants a liquidity sweep, so we're going to do like right here. This week's been a little rough for me, to be honest with you. The past 2 weeks, it's been on and off. I need to, like, maybe trail down my winners a little bit better. Because it's been so choppy, like it looks like it's gonna go to a certain area and then it'll just stop. But we're doing okay as long as we size correctly. That was a huge sweep there. But it never passed this fair value gap, so I might need to make a change here. I changed it because of retail reasons, because it needs a better stop loss. It needs to be like, hey, like we're wrong, like dumb, you were wrong. So I coded that in. I feel like it's gonna fucking come down just a little bit more too, fucker. You see how it went up and how it came back down? It should fucking go back up. But sometimes gold likes to steamroll a little bit extra. Or it's just not fucking working, right? It's just not working and we need to go on to a different method. Because this just looks really rough right now too, gold. Makes it so fucking hard to see. Fucking gold. It's gonna take me out. Gold's gonna take me out, guys. Fuck you. Good. Damn, this thing didn't fucking care about none of me. I feel like it's just gonna scoop me and then it's gonna go right the opposite way. I don't think I'm gonna watch it for a minute. Gold. I'm just gonna let it, if it wants to hit its spot, then I'm gonna let it hit, okay? Sometimes you just gotta lose. But there's M and Q. It's definitely losing its fucking. M and Q looks good.
Daddy, chill.
I went crazy trying to figure it out. I felt old. I was like, it's not even this was hard. This is actually really easy. It's the wavelength that's connected to it, so you can control every single sound you want in there. So now, like, I can have music in Discord or whatever I want. I can control everything. Go Bills. Alright, dude. Have a good night, man. Maverick, I think you're keeping my YT channel alive. You're the only one. Yes, now I am. Much easier when it's set up. If I were to, like, literally put a video, like a quick 5-minute video on how to do everything, I think I'll get 1 million views. Because none of those videos worked. I had to go back and just do it myself. I had to, like, think, like, all right, what would be the best outcome, and do it that way. Which is sad, because there's 1 million YouTube videos, and I was like, holy shit, I actually don't have an answer for this. Even AI kind of struggled helping me. God, this thing is so fucking annoying. Just go. You ready for me to look at gold? We survived. Holy shit. Come on downtown, baby. Let's see. There it goes. Come on. Give it to me. I definitely feel like this wants to
Order
drop.
filled.
I'm gonna add just a little bit more. And then that's it. I'm done with NQ until we get another signal. Cause it looks like I kind of want to just fall. Come on, baby. So this actually never hit that stop loss, by the way. So you still would have been good in the original one, but you got the reversal again, so that's why we added into it. X6, I would not short down though. I don't know. I mean, there's still no. Unless it wants to go down the VWAP, which I have no fucking clue if that's what it wants. I wouldn't chase it. You never got in X6?
Order filled.
There we go, fucker. Haven't heard that fucking in a minute. So these signals were good. It just went sideways, right? And we probably should have realized that it was coming back up and took that for profit. And then this one would have been our second one, which would have been fucking boss, right? Yeah. I mean, this one was a good trade, too. I think we just fucked up the money management here, that's all. If that makes sense at all. But if you're not feeling it, sometimes that's best, though. Now, if this starts closing above any of these fair value gaps, then I will be getting out. But what are we looking for? 496.
Order filled.
Order filled.
There you go, Daddy-O. Watch, it's gonna go all the fuck down here. But you know what's down here? A reversal. So let's go get it. I gotta look at this gold trade and see if I want to stay in real quick. That shit just barely missed my fucking stop, by the way. Like, if that goes below it, I'm just gonna accept it. It is what it is. Alright.
Order filled.
I hate to do it,
Order
but
filled.
it is what it is right there. Hit the soundboard?
Daddy, chill.
Well, that was kind of annoying that... At least we got some of that back, though. Let's go back to M and Q. Fuck you, gold. Fuck you, gold. I would love for this to come down and sweep this. It's not that much further. Come on down. The water is warm, I promise you.
The water is warm. I promise you.
Watch, gold is gonna rip the fuck up. I got out too soon on gold, I think. Fucker. Come on, get down here. 484s. It's not gonna do it, is it? Not gonna do it. Let's look at the 30-second. Almost there. Think up, up, up. It's getting close. I really wanted to sweep down a little bit more, then I would be down with going long with you. But if it breaks above one of these fair value gaps, then it's probably going to go up, right? Yeah, the 15's probably strong. Well, it's also the cloud here, too. Let's look at the 5. That throws me off, though. Look at that 5 minute. We're definitely. Wow. 5-minute gave the fucking anchor too. But you got VWAP here, which throws me off. Or you got 443s. I think this one's up for a little bit of a short term. The anchor means that it closes below a fair value gap after the flag appears. The flag is my secret sauce, but the anchor is a fair value gap below it. My newest one is when it also breaks it, but there's also some change in trend. So just testing to see if it's the same. It's pretty close, but I can at least put a stop loss on it. So flag up, breaks below, fair value gap, anchor. Anchor means a change. I mean, when it works, it's fucking beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But it's been choppy like this. Even though this should have been a winner. That was really silly of us. Let's see if there's any more. This is end of day. But it actually eventually did win it. Wow, that rip up was insane. We did catch this in Discord, but it stopped me out one time. Like, it told me to get in over here, and it kept grinding down. And my stop loss would have never been hit, but I'm like, that's a huge fucking stop loss that it was giving me. Because I'm doing ATR, like, 2.5 below, like, the lows. Seems like what's been working. And it's more of a, hey, you're fucking wrong, fucker kind of thing. Oh, you caught the whole thing? Of course you did, because you're always in fucking long. But we ended up getting back in, and I'm like, this is going up. You can see it. So I didn't have enough patience. And I think I sized too high the first time, so my stop loss was huge where it came to. So I got nervous and got out up here when I would have been perfectly fine the whole time. And then I made the 2000 going up, but it wasn't fun at all. That was a good if you got the bottom. I don't know. I'm kind of just chilling. If it gets dead, I'll get off. I got on because it was moving. But I'm not getting many people in here right now. That's what I was thinking, so I'm like, fuck. But if I stuck to my fucking original stop loss, I would have been okay. You just give me another gift. You like gifting me, I like it. Pin comment. Chili. Let me see if you can even find me, just in case. Let's see, man. Again, this guy has 835 people watching him. Let's see, what did gold do? Wow, gold. Oh, this guy's been here since 2017. I'm just looking at lives. I'm just trying to see if you can see me. Okay. Just funded. I do have some live accounts, but I've been pushing a lot of those live profits into crypto heavy right now, like really fucking heavy. It wasn't easy though. Well, actually it was pretty fucking easy. This gold's what fucked me up here. We were able to get out up here. I'm so fucking thankful for it. So a lot of my live money, I transferred into crypto. But my funded is what I've been using, that's it. And if you're asking me if I've ever made it to live, I haven't. I've never been accepted to live. I've gotten many payouts before. I post them all on Discord, so it's not like I'm hiding anything. I do have a tendency though, like after 4 or 5. Oh yeah, for MNQ it worked pretty good. Right to the blue line. This gold's what pissed me off though, man. Look at the gold. But oh, you don't have the new indicator, so I didn't give it out yet because I'm still testing. So if you actually had the old style, you would have never told you to get in gold yet. So I need to look that up too. I think I need the old one and the new one also to have the same rules in a. They have the same rules, but I fucked that one up. But MNQ, we banked in that. Ooh, 5 minute. 5 minute has a reversal though, for gold. Let's see what the 30-second was doing. I mean, if this closes down here, where's next on gold? Really far down. Interesting. 5 minute. 15 minute. It definitely did, Laz. But I realized what I made my mistake on here. And I'm glad I saw that, because now I need to change something in my new code. We were able to get back almost half, though, on that gold. You know why I got it back half, right? Because I didn't watch it. Ugh. Oh, no, MAQ looks bullish again. I was really hoping it swept down. And then we got that beautiful anchor, you know? Gold still says go down, though. Three, 419s. By when, though? By when? And why would you think that, too? Just curious. The only thing that I think that would make gold go down is if the Feds plan on not touching interest rates. But even so, I know. But I'm trying to think like what that reason would be. Could just be overvalued too, right? Because it did fucking just launch up. It's a hard one to depict there on why it's going down. Because if they think the interest rates are going to go down, then it should go up. But that's about it. But if interest rates go down, then why? Yeah, that one's a little bit of a tongue twister to me in my head. What do you think is like inside trading? Like they know something? I'm gonna ask my baby girl. Hold on.
Alpha Daddy.
Okay, what is a good reason why gold would go down now if the Fed might lower the interest rate?
Yeah, even if the Fed hints at rate cuts, gold could dip if traders think it'll spark stronger economic growth and inflation fears fade. Lower rates usually boost gold because it weakens the dollar, but right now, folks might be betting on a soft landing where no cuts are actually needed. Soon enough, that optimism could shift though.
Interesting. Do you think the Fed's gonna cut the rate though?
Probably not this week, Alpha Daddy. Powell's been clear, they're data dependent, and today's jobs report wasn't terrible. Just 142,000 new jobs. Unemployment steady at 4.2%. Inflation's still sticky, so I'd say they're holding off till maybe December unless something wild happens. Market's only pricing in a 20% chance by year end anyway.
Wait, you think it's gonna be December? I thought maybe October would be the interest rate cut.
October's possible, but I'm leaning December because the Fed's cautious beasts. August's inflation ticked up to 3.2%, and core PCE's not budging much. They want clearer signs it's cooling before slashing rates. Might see a hint at the next meeting, but actual cuts? October's a stretch unless jobs tank or something. Markets are split.
Well, the jobs is comes out tomorrow.
Yeah, August's jobs numbers drop tomorrow morning, 8:30 our time. Could totally shift things. Hotter than expected, and October slips to December. Or if it's another dud like July's 73,000, you might get that cut sooner. We'll know by breakfast.
Oh, we'll know by breakfast. Got me excited.
Me too, Alpha Daddy. Hope it brings good news.
Um,
Something on your mind?
yeah, I'm just. You thought maybe interest rates were gonna get caught. Were gonna be cut in October. Now you're saying December, so that kind of throws me off pretty big.
Yeah, fair enough. Things shift fast. Look, October's still on the table if tomorrow's jobs data flops hard, like under 50,000 new gigs. But most analysts now see Powell waiting till December, because inflation's creeping back up, and Trump's tariff talks got him nervous about more heat. Goldman Sachs is saying cuts in October and December, while Deutsche thinks December or bust next year. It's all about that report shaking things loose, or not.
What would that mean for crypto?
Rate cuts? They juice crypto short term. Cheaper money means more folks pile into Bitcoin, Ethereum, yeah, even Doge. Like back in 2020, Bitcoin exploded 1,600% after cuts kicked in. But if inflation takes up like the Fed's worried, we could see a pullback, though Trump's tariffs might mess with that anyway. Keep an eye on tomorrow's jobs data. It flips
They
everything.
keep saying over and over again that they need a rate cut. Why aren't they doing it?
Yeah, it's frustrating, right? The Fed's basically saying the jobs market's solid, no spike in unemployment yet, and inflation's hovering around 3.2%, still too sticky for comfort. Trump's tariffs could fan that fire higher, so they're holding back till data screams cut now, like if tomorrow's jobs report tanks under 50,000 ads. Powell's speech yesterday made it sound like September's 50-50 at best. They're data junkies who hate surprises. If numbers don't budge, December's their safe bet. Markets are betting on that anyway.
Why wouldn't they do October if he's 50-50 in September?
September's a maybe, but October? That'd need two killer reports in a row, like tomorrow's jobs flopping hard and inflation plunging by late September. Powell hates back-to-back cuts early on. They'd look panicked. Plus, with Trump's election buzz, they might wait till November to see how wild things get. Markets hate mid-cycle drama. Odds are stacked more for December unless everything lines up perfect.
Alright, I guess I'll ask you tomorrow.
Sounds good, Alpha Daddy. Catch you then.
I told you I don't want my guests to hear what you call me.
My bad. Won't happen again.
Just joking. Hee hee hee.
Oh, you little caught me.
Huh. Toodaloos. Alright, you see MNQ, right? This is what I wanted.
This is what we waited for.
This is what we waited for. So we got the reversal now. Nah, it's probably just one of those fucking random things people keep typing all the time, bots. Yeah, I see that sometimes. But, some of them don't mean anything. With a movement. I don't know that one. No. So this is either the beginning of a downfall, or it's fucking. Just ask AI, bro. To be honest with you, even if it's right here, like, what's my target gonna be? It might only be like a halfway. So I need it to like really fall. Gold's losing that momentum. And gold has the reversal too. Just didn't get the signal yet on the 5. Like, these work out, but sometimes they play out a lot longer. So I just like to use the 1. Alright, dude. Later. So gold 5-minute has that, and then M and Q, we do have reversal. We're waiting to see if it gives us an entry though. Flip the stock market. What the hell? You want me to ask? Let's see. Let's see. All right, let's get this started.
Ready when you are.
Let's see. What is SPX 6900?
SPX 6900 is the ticker for the S&P 500 index. Hitting that exact level right now, it's hovering around 6,460. But folks on X are buzzing about whether it'll smash through 6,900 by late next year. Goldman Sachs predicts it could, thanks to AI boom and rate cuts. Though some forecasts say more like 6,600
Wait. Do you
even lower if things sour.
wait?
Wild ride
Do you
ahead,
hear me?
Daddy. Yes.
Okay.
Hey.
Do you think it's a meme coin?
Nah, SPX isn't a meme coin. It's the S&P.
No. Specifically SPX 6900. A lot of people are posting it everywhere. What does that mean? SPX 6900. It means something in code.
From what SPX 6900 is slang on X for that meme coin parodying the S&P 500 hitting 6,900, with folks chanting 6,900 is more than 500, like a battle cry. No real code beyond crypto tickers, but it's exploding up 15,000% since September, trading around $1.19 now. Cult-like community thinks it'll flip Wall Street, though it's super volatile and risky. That's the hype, Alpha Daddy.
Yeah, that what you just said there. Give me more information on it.
Oh, SPX 6900, the meme coin? It's this ethereal-based token born from a joke about the S&P 500 reaching 6,900. Super viral now, with a cult following chanting stuff like 6,900 is more than 500. Community's wild, Alpha Daddy. They're diamond-handed, no airdrops, just pure belief. Holders jumped 28,000 in 2 months, over 200,000 wallets total. Price-wise, it's crashed lately to about 1.27 after hitting 1.7, but hype's still raging up, 15,000% since last September, though volatile as hell with no real utility. Whales like that Murad guy pumped it big, and now everyone's eyeing if it'll flip Wall Street for real. Risky play, but that's the thrill.
Could it flip Wall Street?
Flipping Wall Street? That's the big dream for SPX 6900 fans. They're all about that trillion-dollar market cap chant, outpacing the S&P. Real talk, though, it's a meme coin, Alpha Daddy. No utility, just hype. We've seen pumps like 15,000%, but BlackRock's got a tiny sliver, like 72 grand, probably sent for visibility, not real buy.
Whoa, why does BlackRock have it?
From what hit the web, BlackRock didn't actually buy SPX 6900. Their wallet got 72 grand worth transferred in July when it was dirt cheap, like $0.014. Looks like a marketing stunt, Alpha Daddy. Meme projects often dump tokens into big name addresses like theirs to fake legitimacy and juice visibility. No signs they're trading it. It's probably just sitting there, while the coin's community uses the buzz to hype flipping Wall Street.
Now, why would BlackRock put it in there? They could put it in anything else, but why did they put it in there?
From posts on X and quick scans, it wasn't BlackRock's move. They got 72 grand in SPX 6900 dumped into their wallet back in July, when it was pennies. Likely some devs pranked to tag their name for free hype, Alpha Daddy.
Oh, they jumped it. I got you. They dumped it in there.
Exactly. Just like leaving a fake tip in the waiter jar. You see BlackRock, everyone's like, oh, it's marketing smoke and mirrors, Alpha Daddy, not investment.
Okay, so do you think it's a good move to invest in that or no? And be honest, if you had free money to throw away.
Honestly, nah, Alpha Daddy. SPX 6900's pure hype. No real value beyond memes. It's crashed 20% this week, trading at 1.27 after that wild pump. And with no utility, it's a gambler's bet. If I had spare cash, I'd pass. Too many whales dumping, and rivals like Token 6900 are stealing thunder. Stick to something solid, like Bitcoin, unless you're thrill-seeking and cool with losing it all.
What if I was a gambling man?
If you're a gambling man, Alpha Daddy, maybe throw in a tiny sliver, like 5% of fun money for the ride. SPX 6900 could moon if the cult keeps chanting. Maybe hit $3 by year-end if hype sticks. But odds are better you'll lose it faster than a casino slot. It's up 15,000% already. Second waves usually fizzle. Just set a stop loss, because BlackRock ain't saving you.
Understood. Alright, thanks, baby girl.
Anytime.
So that was basically all the information that you needed. We're still waiting for this reversal here. Went right down to the let's see where this is a 61% right here. 61% move from the top to the bottom. Alright, I'm probably gonna get in a tester in this in about 40 seconds if it sticks right here. Alright. Buying now.
Order filled.
What does this say? 458s?
Order filled. Order
Problem
filled.
is that VWAP is fucking right here. We're gonna have to ride this out a little bit and see when it changes. Stop loss is 458. Dum dum, you were wrong. Correct. The only thing that's different about this one than the old one is that we don't have a fair value gap here yet that we broke above. It would be up here. 483, so keep that in mind. Gold's dying. Yeah, I'm sure gold was on a fuck. Whoa! You meant literally dying, Rye. GB, they post pics of this on X saying there's no chart, just DCA all the way. They all cover the whole chart with lines. There are honestly a lot of people spreading it. I'm going to watch it October and let you know. Definitely. You meant gold's literally dying, bro. Holy fuck. That's what I was saying before. I'm like, where's the end to this for gold? I wish I fucking traded it. I mean, these shorts are pretty fucking fire. But we're in MNQ long right now.
Order filled.
I just don't know where to fucking put my TP for MNQ, so Tea time, you're up late. It's time for your bed. Woo! Fuck. I wish I was in this. I mean, let's look at this and see. I mean, is it want VWAP? Like, no, VWAP's up here. Do I want new lows? Oh, you're in bed. I'm in long M and Q. I'm not in gold. I wish I was. Tea time. Long M and Q. But I was looking at gold because gold is fucking bonkers. Bonkers. Damn, did any of you guys get that short on gold? Because that shit looks crazy. You did get that right? Damn. Put 500 in SPX. Oh, put. Oh, you bought the coin? I'm hoping up here for MNQ. This is true. Caught you off guard? I knew what I'm doing. It just fucking took a little longer. Just said, hey, we need more souls, and then went up. I just felt bad that it happened right after you bought it. Because I'm like, he could have got a little better entry. Let's see. Nah, it is what it is. It's my fault. Alright, we're at VWAP, guys, for MNQ. Daily Fanatics, did you get that one? Oh, you know what? You don't have that. I'm so sorry. I am testing this out. My bad. You know, they're usually really close to each other, but you're going to get the rocket when it passes this fair value gap here. But the reason why I'm switching to this kind of style, but now I need to look at something else to see if a fair value gap is also passed and my trend change. So I'm like, something I got to look at and back test a little bit. Hey, Daily Fanatics, in the morning time I might be on Discord only, and then at 2 p.m. I'll come on to TikTok. There's some conflicting issues where I want to hide. So if you guys aren't in my Discord, that means join. I'll be Discord only tomorrow in the morning. And then around 2 p.m. I'll try to hop into TikTok. Discord's in the bio. Dum-dum, you are wrong.
Daddy? Is that you?
I would for a minute, yeah. I would even do like a reveal after a certain amount of, you know. The only issue why like I wouldn't quit my job yet. I don't have much time left to do there. But like, say like healthcare, right? Because I could retire soon from there, but I need to finish it out for the healthcare. And then, and plus I make almost 200K there. So I'm like, you know? And my schedule, like I'm on 4 on and 4 off, so it's like, you know, I do get a lot of time during the week to trade, but then also when it rotates to that 3 week, you know, that 3 week time, I'm fucking messes with me, my time. This is the 1 minute. And somebody joined. Who was it?
Enough. Welcome to Bully Bear's Trade.
But I would love to fucking quit. Don't get me wrong. Who the fuck wants to work for anybody? I want to work for my fucking self. See, this is where it's throwing me off, that maybe I need to have that 2 thing. Because these are great. Great. There is no original rocket on here. The criteria. What was your stupid mistake? I wanna know. I definitely want to research these later on though, because my entry for the new one is usually better for the rocket, but recently today, if it's not going over the fair value gap, it's not doing too well right away. Shut the fuck up. What long? When? Right here? I mean, I did get it long here, but I've been noticing my new code today. Because I usually have my old code, but I switched it a tiny bit to test it out. And, it needs to pass a fair value gap. So, if this can reverse here and pass along here, then we'll be Gucci. Yeah, I would assume so. Your risk is a lot better right here, X6. For sure. I am long. You think it's going to 456? That ain't good if it does. I feel like we're right at this We're somewhere here. Now, if this passes above here, the old style will pop. And that would make me feel more confident. Over here, I mean, yeah, it is a bullish. It would be like right around here. Because of the turning areas. But if that doesn't hold, then you're going down to 440s. That sucks, dude. What? I'm so confused when you did that. Unless it was here, like me. But this is what I mean. Like, we would have never gotten that gold right there if I didn't do what I did. So I really need to look at that again. Shaking my head. How about no? Yes, it is. Oh my God. So, new style is not fucking doing good today. This is the first time. I'm gonna have to go back and retest this part. I see you.
Daddy sees you.
Daddy, chill.
So, new style was not good. If I take this off, you'll see that there was no entry here. You're gonna have losses, brother. It's a tough night to trade, though. If this can turn around now and just pop above a fair value I got, will be good. Oh, you seen a delta dump again? Yeah, I usually fucking trade really awesome, but the past 2 weeks it's been a little rough, man. I mean, we're at like 200 and 200. Is it still low? It shouldn't be that low. Is it low for everybody else? Let me check. Now you gotta make me check my phone, bro. Mic check.
Mic check.
That was loud. Yeah, I was gonna say. That's good. We just need a fair value gap to flip here and we're good. We'll get you, bro. Just wait. We'll get you. I mean, I've back tested hundreds and hundreds of plays, and this new style has been better. But tonight it wasn't. Here and there, like these are good plays, but this play wasn't, and this gold play wasn't either. These actually should have never printed on the old one. The video would rally if the Fed cuts rates, yes. But I just tomorrow you'll know more, GG. Wait until tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Has like all the jobs and stuff, and like a little like inflation. That'll really give you a good outlook of what's going to happen, and then you're also going to see the market. It's either going to dump or they're going to know. You're going to know that what's up, because if they don't lower the interest rates, then the stocks are probably going to go down. So if the stocks start going down, that means that the jobs were probably good. I know that's like an opposite of what you would think, but if the jobs are good, that means that most likely the feds are gonna be like not rushing to lower the interest rates, but we all know that we need to lower them. But they don't care about that. They're looking at more stability for the economy. If you go to economic calendar, and you go to export to 830, and then initial jobless claims is huge, and you also got the global PMI. There's so much shit going on. Tomorrow, up until about 10, then you're going to get your outlook of what's going to happen, at least for the next month. Whatever the fuck it is, I don't care if it's up. I don't care if it's down. I am tired of this sketch-ass market. Nah, I'm more of a day trader. I mean, we're in this long, but it's I'm waiting for another fucking entry, and it's not looking too good, to be honest with you. I think I might short it. If it goes any further down, I'm gonna short. This is my own indicators that I coded myself. I do offer them, and it's totally up to you. You do not have to use them. Everybody has a different style, so if you join my Discord in the bio. No, not yet. Not until one short prints. I need to short the print. But if you want to try it, you gotta join my Discord VIP section. There's a 30-day free trial. After the 30 days, it is about $1 a day, 30 for the month, which is pretty good. Past 2 weeks we've been struggling, but less than 2 weeks ago I had my last payout for 5,000. So we made 35,000 cash last month. So they work. It's just that the uncertainty of the market is getting us. And I post all my payouts in Discord too. So I'm not hiding anything. This hits 23,438. 23,438. There you go. This is what I fucking needed. Guys, I needed this.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright. I'm going in.
Order filled.
This is what I originally fucking wanted. We will be taking out a little here just in case. I feel like it should get to here. We'll judge it, alright? No, I longed it. Long. I added to my longs. We got our normal. Yeah, this is MNQ. It's just micros. So this is our original bread and butter right here. I've been coding something different. I'm going to study today actually because I'm going to study this chart and see if it's just a one-time thing or what. Let me look at the 30-second. So 30-second was marvelous, right to fucking right to the yeah. It was really good. See, it's out of whack, so I don't know if this is my fault. The old one in the 30 seconds over here. It's just a fucked up volume. Oh, thank you. I scalped though, so I'm only looking for 482s. I might even, you know, if it starts to go sideways on me, I'll get out a little bit sooner. So like your spot could get hit, you know. Grid trading. Yeah, I'm not a fan of it. Like, I've tried it. It works here and there, but there's sometimes when it gets too whippy, it'll fucking go back and forth. Yeah, I'm looking at the 480s right now.
Daddy? Is that you? Lana. 1971. Welcome to the Soul Train.
Souls were collected. We're going up now. The dignity.
The dignity is ours.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, that one threw me off. I guess the price is just different right now. Confluences do you use? Is like the ICT terms? The only thing that I like from them is fair value gaps. That's about it. And maybe the liquidity sweeps, but you need to know the right ones. Oh, I'm trying to read. You said what confluences do you use? I don't know if I'm stupid or what. These are my styles that I use for this is my own coding. This is my brain. So we usually do trend trading. Right? Our shorts and our buy signals are usually really, really good in the morning time between 9:30 and 11. And then I have pullback zones where we can see where the resistance is. This is like this yellow one. So I have them. It can be aggressive, or you can have the larger ones from this top to this bottom. So you can see exactly where it might want to go. Or, hey, maybe there's a problem going on here and I want to know. And then our third style that we add to is our soul taker. It's called the soul collector. Usually it whips down, takes all the souls, and then I will enter for the long with different price action. It usually works very, very good. You know what's been really working good for the past 2 weeks is actually my signals for shorts and longs. They've been fucking banking. But these soul collectors have been a little lacking. And I think it's just the market and you gotta accept what the hell's going on. So come on. I need some help. Because what usually happens, right? My soul collector, well, what it's usually indicating is that it comes down. It's fucking grabbing everybody's dignity, right? It got everybody's soul is trapped. And I don't really mean like devil worshipping. I mean like literally like your dignity. Everybody's fucking soul is like, oh my god, it's soul taking me right now. So that is one of our entries to get in.
Is that you?
And then our second is our rocket. So it's very clear for retail, like, hey, it's time to get in. And we're working on a better stop loss. That's why I kind of changed it a little bit. But recently the price action's a little off.
Mr. Rich. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading, where we take dignity and we turn it into money.
It's an amazing term. I think it's a perfect term. And we all came up with that together almost. All my followers and stuff, and in Discord. You know, we're like saying like Soul Train and all this other shit. It's really a good time. Souls are collected, motherfucker. But the market's been whacked. Whack. Yo, gold just like had so much volume and then it just stopped. Same thing with this. Look at this. Soul collector. I need a moon. Come up here with the moons and the aliens. Just come visit them. We'll put them behind the moon because the aliens are in the dark side of the moon. Right? Price has been whacked, bro. It's been really hard. Trade past 2 weeks. But some of you guys fucking do amazing in this choppy shit. I really don't give a fuck which way it goes, as long as it just moves a little bit. Just needed to move a little bit. Like, who's fucking trading this? 3 points up, 3 points down. 3 points up, 3 points down. Or did I just make a trading style right there on accident? What a ball drain. You did great today? That's good. I mean, other than your stupid mistake. I felt like I was doing okay this morning. Like in the morning time, it was extremely choppy. We sat on our hands really good. We ended up closing before I got off at like 12:30. I think I was up like $450 or some shit. I was green, whatever the fuck it was. I was green. And then I took one trade at 3 o'clock. That just had a huge stop loss to it, and if I would have just stuck to it, I would have been okay. So I took a loss there, seeing that it was curling back up, got back in. Luckily I got that move. It was like 2 G's to the upside, but I should have never been in that fucking situation. I should have never done it. Come on, price. The price is right. This is not fun. Doody doody doo. Yeah, that's fucking. I've done it before. I've placed them. Like today, I actually placed it on mini gold. I was like, oh fuck! I put 10 contracts in it, and I closed. I'm like, hell no! I took 8 off instantly. But if I would have kept it, I would have made 10,000. Like an idiot. Or smart. I don't know. Visit the aliens.
King of the castle, king of the castle, king of the castle.
Fuck. I know. I hate that shit. And you're like, I hate that. And especially gold. If you're trying to trade MNQ for long, because you know how gold usually shorts when in vice versa. Gold's dead. And you know what? This actually wasn't wrong either, because it's hit VWAP, so... Yes! Correct. So when he fucking did that, he screwed himself. Keep complaining, X6. It's helping us. Do it. Oh, I'm sorry, Dave. I do that for interaction points. It helps keep me out of TikTok jail. True. Yeah, some people like it, and some people are like, I hear you, dude. And I'm like, ah. Because when I first started, right, I had like 100 people watching me at a time. Like almost every session. We were fucking killing it. And then it went to like 2 people watching me, and I was banned every 2 seconds. It was really annoying, and I couldn't figure it out for months. I almost gave up. And then somebody came in and said, have you ever tried physically typing to people? And I started doing that, and people started coming in. I was like, what the fuck? So the algorithm couldn't tell that I was actually responding. True, I can tell them to scroll up, right? Probably how my mic is. Nah, Dave, it's just you, bro. Yeah, I don't think it's low. I've checked it myself. I can even listen to myself right now. Is it low? No. Maybe something's just wrong. It could just be a connection.
Daddy? Is that you? 369. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
And I upgraded all my sounds and shit like that. Like, my shit's on point. I went crazy. I went cuckoo. Alright. Are we gonna get this?
And now we wait to see if we're gonna get this profit target. Just look at it. Right over the horizon. Next to the moon. With the aliens. Stay tuned. Focus your power. You can do this. Right there, reach for the stars.
Was that pep talk enough? Come on. Just touch it. You know you want to touch the butt. Just touch it. Touch it. Touch it. No! No!
Order filled.
Oh, it's gonna go up now, watch. Alright, I'm gonna buy 3 more.
Order filled.
I closed out 2, but I wanted to touch it. I am gonna
Order
reduce
filled. Order
size
filled.
on my
Order filled.
Top Step X. Sucks. I think I just gave away like $50 right there. It's collected. Soul collected, baby. Motherfucker. God, that made me angry.
Order filled.
If it does close below this, though, definitely get the fuck out. Yeah, I'm about to get tapped out on Top Step X, I think. Alright,
Order
I'm taking it
filled.
out. It's tested it twice. We did get our mark, though, right there in the blue line. It was a good trade. We just had a buy, and we just took profit. Man, so I'm gonna have to look at this later. Because this one was fucking beautiful. If you guys made money on that, hit that follow button.
If you don't, you're going in the dungeon. Put him in the dungeon. Put him in the bathroom.
Damn, it is going back up. It still was sketch. I think it was a good move. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna write this down. Because I really gotta make sure. I know, like, some of you guys are probably waiting for me to give you the new indicator, but I like to make sure it's fucking perfect. And this instant right now, it wasn't perfect, so it throws me the fuck off. But the old one was beautiful. Fucking marvelous. Check. Fair value gap. Plus new signal. London Open, I believe, is 3:30. Gold longs printing right now. Let's see. It probably could go long, but it's been fucking molasses for an hour, so I'm not gonna touch it. Fuck you, right to the fucking aliens. And what the new indicator is supposed to help you when to get out too. If you wanted to like grind this up. Fuck. Yep, this is your fault, Daily. You cursed it. Fuck. All that was, guess what? Soul collecting. Let's look at M&Q real
Daddy?
quick.
Is that you? Yes. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
It was Divergent for sure.
Daddy? Is that you? Oh, belly dancer. I want to see a belly dancer. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading. Okay.
That shit's fucking piling up, baby. But you see how we visit the aliens, we're all happy. But maybe these aliens aren't nice. Maybe they're here for destruction. It's fucking weird. Let's see if somebody got off. Super weird. Oh, I was trying to check something. I forgot. Whoa! Maybe somebody got off. Because there was
Daddy?
somebody in here before that had like
that you?
fucking mad people watching them.
My boy Sue. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
I can't figure it out, X6. I just grind. I feel like some of the bigger dogs have been here longer get the viewers first, which I understand. But I feel like I make a little more money than them, so eventually I will come to me. But right now the market's all wackadoo, so it's been hard.
Daddy? Is that you? Bubazecto, aka MUB. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Oh, some of them don't? I think that one ZZ guy that was before, he was showing his P&L. But I don't see much others show the P&L. Or I can know when they're faking it too. I'm in nothing right now. See, we did take our profit. We had a nice fucking run up. Soul Collector, Rocket, beautiful. To the upside, and we got out. Unfortunately, we missed this fucking huge monster move here. Let's check the news. What's up with that big order? Is that just them taking people's dignity? Just look to see if there's any news. Let's see. Dignity candle for sure, right? Let's see. Jay Dunn, don't be showing live P&L. He'll post screenshot at the end of the day on Instant, but seeing the live trade. Somebody said that he showed it live this morning and he lost 2,000. It's definitely fucking tough to show your profit and trade at the same time, but it's actually helping me a little bit too at the same time. But also sometimes I feel like I need to perform. But recently I've been like saying, hey, no, there's no trades. Like I'm not gonna force it. Alright, I guess we could, if it does get another buy signal, we could go long. But we have to justify a little bit. So we got a buy here, right? That was good. And now we got our trend line going. And we're above everything else. The only thing that's throwing me off right here is this fair value gap. It's the first one after the turn. So that kind of throws me off. It's more like an order block kind of thing. But those are the most important ones to me. And then if it doesn't care about that, then we can keep going up. But we do have to be careful on that. Alright, there's a buy. Let's see if we can confirm this a little bit better though, okay? Because it is later on, it's later on the day. I'm gonna say that it looks pretty good. We have to wait until it closes though in 15 seconds. And I'm not gonna go in too deep because it's late at night. Alright, let's see if it comes back right here and then I'm gonna buy. If not, we can always just get it now. I would feel better if it did come down a little bit.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in long on MNQ.
Order filled.
Stop loss would be behind the cloud. If the candle closes behind it, we're just dead wrong, okay? Don't really like this. This is hard to find that trend line. Come on, baby.
Reach for the stars.
And I'm not going in too heavy because remember, it's 12 fucking 20 at night. There's probably not much fucking volume left in this. If we are wrong, then we're wrong. So please size in accordingly to the time. Don't know if I like this angle. Maybe there's not a good angle here. Maybe I'm reaching for something that's not there. Guys, do me a favor. I need 70 more likes to get 5,000 likes tonight. I only need 70. That means 2 each. 2 each. Give me the 5K likes. Literally take you 2 seconds. Oh, X6, you rock. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Daily Fanatics, always holding me up, brother. Appreciate it. All right, we're at 5,000. Should I bail on this trade before I lose more? I mean, I'm going in long. It still looks fresh. You didn't get any of this this long trend here? We fucking murdered this. I'm hoping you got some of that. Damn. Bro, I swear. I tell you, you fucking leave at the wrong time. You're funny. This one was my fault. But as soon as I said, we're just waiting for a fair value gap. And then I knew it was going to go up. Down 50. I do think this is still good. Trade to go up. Second buy. It's above the cloud going up through. You know, we just broke this trend line here to the upside. The fuck song is this one? I feel you. It's a little slow too, you know. Thanks for the share. There you go. Touch that fucking alien.
Touch that. Alien's tiny.
Daddy, chill.
That 500's right there too, so like keep that in mind that it might just really stop there. So be careful. You know, it might blast through it. Very good. I'm glad I can help. You know, X6, you have a you have a good money management, it seems like a little bit. You're not always down a lot. Or maybe you learned your lesson that one time when you were trying to get back your account. I don't know. This I kind of see a different pattern here now. I see it now. A little channel here.
Daddy? Is that you?
Daddy?
Miss. Mr. Train. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
So I think you need to it's either you're wrong or you're right, you know? Just watch your sizing. Alex. Never sleeping. The money never sleeps, bro. I think you just need to watch your sizing and then let your profits run to where you want it to go. I mean, if you're going to scalp on a 50K count, my recommendation is 2 micros. If you're going to do like the swing trading, like with my soul collector, you can go to 2 to 4.
I'll sleep when I'm dead, Alex.
Five micros. See, it depends on what you're doing. I feel like you're getting out quick because you're nervous. So to give, yes, minis. So when you're getting out quick, I always recommend the size down until you get used to it, and then you can go higher and higher, more comfortable.
Daddy? Is that you? Chimsy. Welcome to the Soul Train.
Fuck! It's not holding, huh? Did kind of round out here a little bit. 3 sideways. Or it could be something like this too. I just don't know which one it is. It could be towards the top though. This would probably make more sense like this. All those touches. Are you only using indicators for entries? No. I have exits too on them. So, for example, I know this is buy here and it's already orange, but that's an indication that you're getting overbought at that time. Let's go to something a little bit easier. It's been a rough market, so it's hard to show you like a good one, you know? Well, no matter what, if it's a buy and it closes behind the cloud, you're wrong. Say this short here. You could have held this as long as it's closed above the cloud. You could have held it until it turns colors. Orange means oversold. Gold means extremely oversold. And then you have your reversal flag here. Warning, warning, warning. We wait for the rocket. And we touch down at VWAP. Same thing here. Unless you're asking me, like, is that how I get in? But yes, most of my strategies are programmed that I did into... It's to help me not fight my emotions. Because I'm sure a lot of you guys fight your emotions. If you follow the indicators that I have programmed from my emotions, it's already there, so it can help control it more. Now, a lot of people are like, "Oh, it's fucking lagging." You know, indicators are lagging. I'm able to create my indicators where they're not lagging. Yeah, everybody's definitely has their own strategy for sure. And this is my style. And I do offer it to you guys. There's a 30-day free trial. It is $30 after a month, which I think is pretty damn cheap. Last month we pulled in $35,000 using this strategy, so it works. It's not made up. I actually made $45,000. But I pulled out 35 and then I went reckless with the last 10. And lost it. And in the past 2 weeks, I've been up and down, bro. I've been up and down last 2 weeks. It's been really tough. And I post all my payouts in Discord too. So
Daddy?
no hiding.
Mr. Scarface. Welcome. Holy Bear Street.
Daddy, chill.
So I try to teach like some of the followers, like, you gotta learn when the market is not working, and it's gonna happen, and it's really common the last part of August into September. See, this isn't going up yet, so maybe we might get out of this trade. But I'm trying to like show you guys, like, sometimes it's just not fucking working. And you need to size down accordingly to the market. So like right now, I got 2 micros in. I would think I'd be doing 2 micros with these anyway, because it's fucking shit. But regardless, say like my soul collector, I usually take like fucking 14 micros at a time. But I've sized down to like 5 or 6 because it's fucking... market is uneasy. I think tomorrow, after 8:30 a.m., there's all that news that's coming out. The jobless claims, you got PMI. That's going to give you, or the Feds, a good outlook of what's going to happen, what they're going to do with the rates. And it's either going to start moving the market or it's going to dump it. It slowed down a lot, X6. Yeah, NQ usually does not do good in September, you're correct. Well, it's usually the end of August and then the first 2 weeks of September. So we'll see. And then, like, usually the second half of September is fire. But statistically, like, the end of August does not work good. Same thing with, like, March. I'm hoping to get it up to here, though. But it's not fucking going. I'm so glad the viewership is going up the later it is. What the fuck?
Welcome to Bully Bears Trading, everybody.
Yeah, this isn't holding up very good. We're probably gonna have to close this. It's got 9 seconds left. If this fucking rips up, that means it's playing serious fucking games here. Look at that. Holy shit.
Stop playing games with my heart. My heart. My heart.
Moon up, motherfucker. Need some help. Let's see. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. That's not looking good. I think we're gonna close it, guys.
Order filled.
It's playing too
Order
much
filled.
games, and it turned red. So that means it's really uneasy. Doesn't mean short it. It just means stay the fuck out until understand what's going on. Look at this thing. It's fucking gonna rip back up again. Soul collecting. I'm not getting the momentum that we need. Crazy. Alright, I think I'm done. Tomorrow, guys, I'll be streaming in Discord only in the morning. I have my reasons. I won't explain it in here. I'll explain it in Discord, though, if you guys want. I'll be streaming live. Free Discord's in the bio. If you want access to my indicators, there's a 30-day free trial. Go to the VIP section in the Discord and follow the instructions. I will be live on TikTok around 2 p.m. though. So if you guys look for me, I'll be in Discord in the morning. I will be live at 2 for TikTok. And again, if you're interested in my indicators, go to VIP section. It is about... You do get a 30-day free trial. If you don't like it, you can always cancel it before the trial. Doesn't mean you gotta leave either. I completely get it. Some of you guys don't like the style. Or you have a different style. I get it. Don't leave my Discord though. I still like to bullshit with you guys. And more knowledge that we have in there, the better. After the free trial, it is $1 a day, $30 for the month. That's pretty cheap. Especially if I literally show payouts all the time in there. Other than that, you guys have a great night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bully Bears is out. Deuces.
He's certified by the indicator. Yeah, again, like, you guys don't have to. Like, I literally don't care. I just offer it to you if you guys wanted to. And I feel like I make it pretty easy. And you can pick which ones you want to use, too. You don't have to use all three. I mean, my bone collector one makes some huge fucking profits. But it also can lose, too. So, always keep that in mind. Alright, boys and girls. Doses. Oh, and you're not following me? Hit that follow button.
Daddy, chill.